I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the built-in camera app in photo mode because iPhone 8 lacks a native portrait toggle. Frame your subject 2 to 8 feet away so the phone can detect depth. Distance is crucial. Once done, tap the subject to lock focus and exposure and make sure light is even. Backlight hurts depth sensing. You'll avoid zoom and keep the camera steady. These first steps set the phone up to simulate portrait depth using composition and focus. You now create the portrait effect manually since the single lens needs help. Move in closer and maintain the 2 8-foot range, then lock AE/AF on your subject. This forces the camera to prioritize subject exposure. Next, enable live photo and take multiple frames or launch a third-party portrait app that estimates depth and applies bokeh. These apps analyze edges and blur the background. Because you control distance and lighting, the software can produce a convincing portrait-style separation. You finish by reviewing images at full size to check edge quality and natural skin tones. If the background blur looks artificial, bring the subject slightly closer or add more separation between subject and background and retake. When software misidentifies edges, change angle and improve lighting so the algorithm has clearer depth cues. If the camera behaves oddly, reset camera settings or update iOS and the portrait app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.